Happy day students, welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai. This is class 7 geography, chapter 7, human environment, settlement, transport and communication. Topics to be covered today: settlements, transport and its various modes, communication. Settlements. We know that early human beings depended entirely on nature for food, clothing, and shelter. But with time, they learned new skills to grow food, build homes, and develop better means of transport and communication. Settlements are places where people built their homes. Early human beings lived on trees and in caves. When they started to grow crops, it became necessary to have a permanent home. The settlements grew near the river valleys as water was available and land was fertile. With the development of trade, commerce, and manufacturing, human settlements became larger. Settlement flourished and civilizations developed near river valleys. Example: Indus Valley Civilization. Types of settlements. Settlements can be permanent or temporary. Settlements which are occupied for a short time are called temporary settlements. They practice hunting, gathering, shifting cultivation, and transhumance. More and more settlements today are permanent settlements. In these settlements, people build homes to live in. The villages or rural settlement where people are engaged in activities like agriculture, fishing, forestry, craftswork, and trading. Rural settlements can be compact or scattered. A compact settlement is a closely built area of dwellings wherever flat land is available. In a scattered settlement, dwellings are spaced over an extensive area. This type of settlement is mostly found in hilly tracts, thick forest, and regions of extreme climate. In rural areas, people build houses to suit their environment. In regions of heavy rainfall, they have slanting roofs. Places where water accumulates in the rainy season, the houses are constructed on a raised platform. Thick mud walled houses with thatched roofs are very common in areas of hot climate. Local materials like stones, mud, clay, straw, etc. are used to construct houses. The towns are small and the cities are larger urban settlements. In urban areas, the people are engaged in manufacturing, trading, and services. Transport. Transport is the means by which people and goods move. In the early days, it took a great deal of time to travel long distances. People had to walk and used animals to carry their goods. Invention of the wheel made transport easier. With the passage of time, different means of transport developed. In our country, donkeys, mules, bullocks, and camels are common. In the Andes Mountains of South America, llamas are used, as are yaks in Tibet. The early traders from other countries used to take several months to reach India. They took either the sea route or the land route. Aeroplanes have made travel faster. Now it takes only 6 to 8 hours to travel from India to Europe. Modern means of transport thus saves time and energy. Now let us see the 4 major means of transport. The 4 major means of transport are roadways, railways, waterways, and airways.